behind is Zakta, Mr. Rusty, others, work to create the nation Zakta defines person right to health in Zakta International Headquarters. In Zakta is instruction is Canada, Spain, Guatemala, Korea, Ecuador, El Salvador, Colombia, saka Philippines. In Zakta behind the company is John Hall and Beverly Residency in the Philippines, Global this international distributor, John Hall, record process, continue operation about ibang company. Hindi ko naman tayo may magawa. Sa Inzakta, hindi ko naman tayo naggawa siya ng di-green yung anak ko. Sa Inzakta is the present 11 cities throughout the Philippines. Davao City, headquartered in the Philippines. Cebu City, Tacloban City, Quezon City, Bacolod City, Itapawan City, Butol City. Right now, I'm here in Butol, then Cagayan City, and recently lang July 2, 2016, may focus mo tayo dun sa Manila, sa Suite 7, 7th floor, Israel Library. And probably San Francisco and somewhere last year open at the same time we are proud member of the City Association. But kung na makapasok natin sa place, we have a plantation more than 160 in the world, kasama po ito sa Zakta. Ulitin nyo naman itong company, tingnan po natin. Alam mo ba, sa panahon na tayo sa mga messenger, nakilala ka bang taong may taong may sakit sa puso, taong may diabetes, taong stroke, o even ba nakakapagpang lang lahat to this health reality. According to the World Health Organization, 2012 data on leading causes of premature death are cancer, stroke, respiratory disease, diabetes, cardiovascular disease. Ang tawag sa mga sakit na ito ay disease. Ang mga sakit na sanhi ng cells sa ating katawan. Life starts as single cells in the mother womb. 8 cell mother stems. Nangyari nito is mula nilang ginawa yung hindi maganda sa isang gabi, namatay na sila, mga anak, naging 2 cells, naging 4 cells, naging 8 cells, naging tissue, naging system, naging body, nilaso po tayo. Cells as the basic unit of life. So, saan po tayo galing? Cells. So, may tinatawag po natin sa cells ng ating battery. Ang klaseng battery yun. Mitochondria are the power plant of our cells. They convert food into energy, which is the body uses to live. The energy product is called ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So, Ganun po yung ano natin. So, like cellphone, human cells are like cellular being, both of every complicated and do hundreds of tasks, but the batteries need charging on daily basis. Think of the HP as charger that plug yourself into 50 times a day. So, like sa cellphone, yung katawan natin parang cellphone. Every health problem is due to a lack of energy, which is created by mitochondria. So, bakit mo ba nagkakasakit ang ating cells? Ang ay dahil sa ating toxic lifestyle, constant diet at toxic environment. Ang this are pagkain ng processed food, distant fast food, no fast food, no junk food, no fast food, toxic lifestyle, and toxic food choices. Like nito, natural. So, ano po yan? Pollution sa environment, naglaging sa project at advice. So, ganun po yan. Tingnan po natin ang gumamit sa pag-iisip, yung bata ay nasira. Ang pollution sa pagninigarilyo at pagpinom ng alak, yan po ang sanhi. Ganyan po ang nangyari pag patuloy nyo ginagawa yung hindi maganda. At ang pagdaranalas ng stress ay cells the basic unit of life. Cells, tissue, organ, system, body. Yan ang sabi ng Nicholas Job Ramos Memory cause of all diseases is biology, cellular level. Kailangan po natin. The good news is cells are developed within our body. Because cells is the field responsible for repair, rebuild, restore, and generate and healing damage and agencies. Proper nutrition, polysaccharide plus polysaccharide, polynuric carbohydrate and glucose and cause of long-chain and glycogen. So, polypeptide, ano po yan? Kung ibisaya po natin ay rice po yan. Sabi nga ni Dr. Alexis Carrer, give the cells what they require for nutrition. As far as we know, the position of life may improve forever. Introducing the supercharger for our cells. Alpha PX Royal, the superfood our cells. So, approval po tayo ng DAC, stem cell, 1 circular recovery, halal, 100% organic na GMO po tayo, Moody, and ISO certified ng GMP, ASAR certified. Then ang kagandahan po dito is Consumer Choice Award po tayo, 2014. Kagandahan 2013 na po ang Pilipinas, lumalabas yung good sense of quality ng global brand. Ganit po yung mga objective approval ng company na nisa. Our product is, we have 40,000 variety of rice. Ang kinuha po ng ating rice, ating company is Qualcomm rice. Kasi what few people know is the 99.95 DNA of rice is the same as DNA of human. So, alam natin kung saan pong kinuha ng rice. So, sabi nga dito, the power of regenerate and regenerate my human body and brain. We are in the sweet spot. Ang kinuha po ng company natin yung gitna ng rice ay sa contribution of super nutrients takes 100 pounds of rice and 1 make pound of eggs. For example, sa ating Pilipinas, 3 kilos of rice, isang capsule ng isang pigs. And, kagandahan po nito, ang kinuha is purple rice, forbidden rice. So, purple rice contain and following rechargeable nutrients. Polysaccharide plus carbohydrate, polypeptide protein, polyphenols, sulfur, anthocyanin, mono and glycosyl fat lipids, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Nandiyan na po lahat. Kailangan mo kung bibili ka pa ng mga supplement. Huwag kang bumili sa exacta nila. Kasi complete na. Purple rice is the complete functional food. So, saan po tinanim yung company natin sa Chang Valley, Thailand, the larger organic plantation nutritious the highly alkaline soil, non-hybrid, native strain of rice. Ang pinandilig po sa ating company is 10,000 year old green angiospermia sa ito ay sa atin pinandilig lang ay grabe power ng GMO because pure organic rice. Pure po tayo. Then, ang kinuha ng rice natin ay outer layer. Simple carbohydrate is sugar. Ang kinuha ng company natin is yung inner layer, complex carbohydrate. Nandun ang pinatawag na complete functional food. So, yun po ang kinuha. Para makuha po, ginamitan po ng tinatawag para makikita small, medium, complex. Para mapasok po sa tinatawag natin na mitochondria, ginamutan ng advanced nanotechnology. Hindi po yung advanced nanotechnology. Hindi po ginamitan ng other supplement like nito. Pag intake, pasok pa sa mitochondria. Defender of the cells, vitamins and minerals, food supplement, herbal, nutrition, energy, ay wala po. Kagandahan po sa atin ay ginamitan pa ng nanonutrients, macronutrients, carbohydrate, protein, fat, lipid, pasok agad sa atin. So, yan po ang product natin. Cells is the responsible for repair, rebuild, restore, and regenerate and healing damage of aging cells. So, napakita lang ako ng video, konting review lang, wala. So, wala po siya, ito na lang, nag-intake po siya ng product ng counter ng mga distributor ng Exacta. Ang laki po ng kanyang mga bukol. Ngayon, nag-intake siya after 3 months ng PXP. Yan po. Nawala na po yung bukol niya. So, ano pa? For 18 months old baby power. Grabe. So, one day, ganyan po yung mukha niya. After 13 days, tingnan niyo po. Then, diabetic. Tatagon po siya. Before, puputulan na sana. Hindi na putulan. Just the product. Marami po testimony sa product. Ganyan po. Dahil pa. Testimony siya po. About arthritis. Ang pangalan po niya si Tio Pilo Malunis. So, ang nag-itik ng product yan po. Ayan po yung other testimony. Gastritis or Christmas. Ang pangalan po niya, Grace Ortiz, female, 40 years old po. Grabe na po ito, product. And si Erna Pinta Mayuma,